Hello, welcome to the MFC channel for the C1D2 review, a box designed in Germany by Vapedroid and manufactured by Sbody. This box will be perfect for the advanced vapor since it uses the DNA75 chipset, and it's also very compact, especially for a box that can use either a 26650 or an 18650. We'll see all the details, but first let's have a quick look at the packaging. Inside the box you will obviously find the C1D2 with the 18650 adapter already in. You will also find a micro USB cable which is required to connect the box to a computer in order to use the eScribe software and customize the chipset. You will also have an authenticity card as well as a user manual. The C1D2 is clearly a high-end, very well made box, and it's also extremely compact. You have its size showing here. In fact, when you have it in your hands it really feels like you're holding an 18650 box mod, while this one can also take the longer lasting 26650s. The battery door is on the back, there is absolutely no rattle, yet this door is extremely easy to open. There are two magnets at the top and one at the bottom. Here the box is with a 26650, pretty easy to insert and to remove. And if you want to use an 18650 instead, all you need to do is to use the adapter you'll find in the box. It holds in place with a magnet to make sure it doesn't move at all inside the box. All you need to do then is to place your 18650 inside the adapter like this to use it in that configuration. Just put back the door and there's no way to see it. On the front you have the buttons, the screen, as well as the micro USB port. The buttons are made of stainless steel, they are flush with the box with the front panel, and there's absolutely no rattle. Again, this box is really well made. The screen is the DNA75 screen, of course. It's very easy to read and you can customize everything on it using eScribe. The micro USB port will allow you to connect your box to your computer. In order to do so, you will also be able to charge the batteries inside your box using, again, the micro USB cable. On the top you will find the Sbody logo engraved, as well as the 510 connector. The screw is in stainless steel and the center pin is spring loaded. The spring is long enough and it's strong enough as well to make an excellent contact whatever the atomizer you plug in. In one word, this box is compact, it's high-end, it's really well made, and it's also pretty comfortable to use. Let's now have a look at the chipset, starting with the comments. The C1D2 uses the amazing DNA75 chipset from Evolv, which is well known to be one of the best chipsets in the market, whether it's to be used in power mode or even more in temp control. Its basic usage is extremely simple and it will be, as usual, 5 clicks on the main button to switch it on or off. We are here in power mode, and to change the power we will use the plus and minus buttons as usual again. But the more advanced features have quite a longer learning curve and it will take some time and some practice to learn everything about that chipset to get the best out of it and use all of its features. For instance, if you want to switch from one preset to another, you will have to press the plus and minus button at the same time, which will also lock the box's settings. Then you have to double-click one of these two buttons to be able to select one of the presets stored in the device. In fact, these presets are one of the most interesting features on that board, especially since they are entirely customizable, as well as the other features in this box, using the eScribe software available on your computer. Like any device using a DNA chipset, the C1D2 is entirely customizable. In order to do so, you will have to download the eScribe software, install it on your computer, and plug your device on your computer using the micro USB cable. This software allows you to customize absolutely everything on your device. You can choose what information are going to appear on the screen, but also which font is going to be used. You can fully customize all the presets and also use any type of wire if you want to use the temp control mode. You can also select how the box is going to behave, for instance when switched on or off, and also change the battery profile in order to get the best out of every battery you may use. This full set of features covers absolutely every vaping need you may think of, but obviously takes some time and some experiment to learn. This is why, if this box can be used by beginners, it's more designed for advanced vapers who will take the time and have the experience to use it properly. The C1D2 design, its overall quality, its chipset and the way it is made really make this box a high-end one. It's also a box that really feels nice in the hand. It's extremely compact as well, especially for a box that uses a 26650 or an 18650 battery. The fact that it uses the DNA75 chipset from Evolv makes it an excellent performer, but also a box mainly designed for advanced vapers. It's obviously available on the MFC website, and please feel free to contact us if you have any question regarding this box. The entire MFC team joins me to thank you for watching this video and wish you a very pleasant day.